Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about the function weekday. This function shows the day of the week from a date. So, whenever there is a date and we want to know which day it is, it will give that particular day in a numeric format. The syntax would be like equals to weekday, and we select the date and type. Type is not mandatory, it's an optional. But if you give date, type 1, so it will assign Sunday as 1, Monday 2, and through Saturday as 7. And if you give 2, it will assign Monday as 1, Tuesday 2, until Sunday as 7. And 3, Monday it will set as 0, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 2, going, and Sunday as 6. And if you don't give any number, by default Excel will use 1. That is, it will assign Sunday as 1, Monday as 2, until Saturday as 7. Okay, let's look with an example. Okay, uh, in a pizza example, see, we have pizzas. These are the pizzas and these are the actual price. But we'll sell in a different rates in a different week of the day, because usually Saturday and Sunday it's a weekend and they sell it at the original price. As the week progresses, Monday the sales will be little less, so they will sell at 90, Tuesday 80, and Wednesday is the most lean day, so they offer more discount. So pizza we are selling at 60%. Again, this slowly it picks up on Thursday and 80%, Friday 90, and 100. So based on the day, what day is today, will arrive at the price of the pizza. So actual price is this. Now we'll see. Today's 5th. So what day is today? So I say equals to weekday, and I take the date and just close the bracket. We need not give any, right, and enter. So when it says 1, that means it's a Sunday. Sunday. Sunday is 100%. So here we have given Sunday 100% to Monday 90. So we'll check and accordingly we'll price the pizza. So what we'll do, we'll look up this value and multiply this percentage with the actual price. So I'll say we look up this value. Okay, we'll lock this because it will be same across all pizzas. And our array is the chart from where we look up 3 columns. So we'll look for this number here in column 1 and bring the third column value 1, 2, 3. So that is, we'll look up this value, comma, table array is this one, and comma, third value, the price, and we will multiply with the actual price, which is in G5. Correct? So here, since it's 1, that is Sunday, Sunday will be charging 100%. We'll copy the formula. So it will be the same price what we have. Now we'll change the date. We'll make it 6. Now 6th is Monday. So it is bringing up weekday as 2. So what is a 2? 2 will be selling at 90%. So it multiplies by 90 and gives a will be selling pizza at these rate. So we'll see if it is on Tuesday. See, you can see the rates changing. Will change again. If it is Wednesday, we'll get the most discount. We'll get a 40% discount. We'll get the rate at 60%. Sorry, we'll change to 8. Yeah, see, we get at 60% of the rate. So based on this, will the rate will change. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next video, this bye from Saravanan Jairaman.